Okay,
Good afternoon. I'm Manjari and I work as Senior Consultant Nutritionist for Nutritionist Republic. Today we released a survey on the poll D, that is the diabetic poll in India, that was done across in 3 major cities in India. It was done in Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. The poll has highlighted that most people, even in the larger metros of India, have no awareness of diabetes. I mean, there are figures like 60% don't know what diabetes is, or how it originates, or how to manage, or what happens if you do not manage diabetes, what are the complications. When Dr. Mala was releasing the study today, she highlighted that not even 10% of people who have diabetes go to a dietitian. Nobody bothers that they go to a dietitian, and she also said that each person who has diabetes needs an individualized diet plan. Every person who has diabetes needs a diet which is tailor-made for them, which means there is no one plan which will apply to everybody. So unless you go to, most people think or assume that they know what is right to eat and what is not right to eat, and they follow their own preconceived notions or assumptions that they have. But ideally, for a person who has diabetes, it is very, very important, not only preventive but also treatment-wise, to control diabetes, that they should go to a dietitian or a nutritionist. What happens here is, she is a professional and she works with diabetic people all the day and throughout for many years. So she knows that if a person's insulin levels are like these, a person's dosage is this much, a person's weight and height or anthropometric measurement, BMI is this much, a person's physical activity and the occupation is this, she can accordingly tailor-make a plan for the patient. And what happens is, most of the time you see urban diabetics are people who work for very long hours and don't get time to eat on time, don't have enough food with them, so eat whatever is available, and so the blood sugars becomes even worse. And the best way to do it is to sit with a person who understands how you work, what are the times when you eat, how is food available, and so that she can make a generalized plan for you and explain that of the available options, what is the best thing for you to do. So also, a nutritionist role is not only in prevention. Prevention is of course important, because unless you know that obesity and diabetes are linked together. That's why the disease is now called diabesity, which means if you are obese or if you have a midriff circumference or waist circumference which is more, your chances of having a bad diabetes are high. If your weight is in check, your chances of having control over diabetes is very, very high. So it's very important to keep your weight in check. See what you eat, how much you eat, what pattern you follow, how do you adjust your food according to your drug or insulin dosage. And if you've not studied all this, it is not possible for you to do it on yourself. Whereas a nutritionist can do it very much and very easily for you. So I think it's very, very important. It's one of the primary things. It's as important as meeting a physician. So if a physician writes your drugs, it's important for you to meet a dietitian who can prescribe your diet and explain the pros and cons of following a diet.